So you're ready to start your credit repair journey, but you have no idea where to start. Don't worry. As usual, I got you. Come on. So what the credit bureaus don't want you to know is that every single trade line on your credit profile is attached to an address from your history. Now, the key to keeping these accounts from being automatically verified, you got to do one thing, and that is detach the addresses from your history from the accounts. First thing you want to do is use the backdoor method with Experian. Now, you can do this with TransUnion and Equifax, but Experian is the only one that has the 10-digit code that you need that's attached to both the address and the account. Now, the key is to get these addresses removed so that the code that's on the account can't be matched to an address. If it can't be matched, it can't be automatically verified. Therefore, they have to go through with the investigation. Now, this doesn't guarantee a removal, but it damn sure makes it harder for them to verify the account. If they can't verify it, they gotta remove it. And once you've figured out which addresses are tied to the accounts you want removed, you're gonna call the bureaus at these numbers. Here's what you're gonna say. Hey, I see some addresses on my credit file that I'm not associated with. And there's also some misspellings of my name on my credit report. Can I get those removed? Now, the point to all this is that you want to have consistency across your credit report. You want one name, one address, one job. So anything that you see on there that no longer applies, have it removed.